Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my CVS haul for this week and how I got 10 items for free plus an 80-cent moneymaker. So if you guys are interested in knowing the breakdown, then just keep on watching. Now, I'm going to start with these two Revlon lip balms right here, and these are currently retailing for $4.99 each at my store. So with the purchase of two, my total comes up to $9.98. And then I did use two of these $2 off printable coupons for Revlon lip products. So that brings my total down to $5.98. And then I did use this $4 off CRT for any Almay or Revlon items. And that brought my total down to $1.98 out of pocket. And then I did get $4 back in extra bucks with the purchase of $10 worth of Revlon items. So that makes my items completely free plus a $2.02 moneymaker. Now these two Maybelline eyeshadows are retailing for $3.99 a piece. So with the purchase of two, that makes my total $7.98. And then I did use this $3 off CRT that I got for Maybelline products, and that brings my total down to $4.98. And then this morning I did get this $2 off in-app CRT for any Maybelline cosmetics, so that brings my total down to $2.98. And then I did get $5 back in extra bucks with the purchase of two Maybelline items, so that makes my items completely free plus a $2.02 moneymaker. And then I was also able to combine this $2 off of 12 cosmetics CRT, so that made for an additional $2 moneymaker off these cosmetics. Now this Colgate Enamel Health Toothpaste is currently on sale for $3.99, and we do have this $1 off coupon for any Colgate toothpaste, so that brings my total down to $2.99, and we are getting $2 back in extra bucks, so that makes my total just 99 cents, and we do have 75 cents that you can get back with IBOTTA, so that means that my final price for this item was only 24 cents. Now these two bottles of L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner are currently on sale for buy two for $8, and we do have this $3 off of two coupon that you can use. So after that coupon, the total comes down to $5 for both, and then we did get this $2 off of two CRT, so that brought the total to $3 for both, or only $1.50 each. Now these 3 bags of chocolates are currently retailing for buy 3 for $8, and I did use this $1 off coupon with the purchase of two, so that brings my total down to $7. And then I did use this $3 off Hershey's chocolate CRT, so that makes my final total only $4, and I did get $2 back in extra bucks, so that means that I got all 3 bags for $2, or only 66 cents each. So after adding up all of my money making items, that means that I got all of these items for free plus an 80-cent moneymaker. But that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.